Good afternoon, dear students. I am audible.
Good afternoon, sir. Audible, sir.
Yeah, thank you. I hope all of you had your lunch.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, dear students, welcome to Software Design Lab, OMDP Lab. So today, I'm going to discuss a pattern called as whole part. Okay. So this whole part pattern, it has been considered with respect to the concept of aggregation. Okay. And what is aggregation? I have already explained in my theory sessions. It is also called as a part of a relationship. A constituent subpart sometimes acts as a property or a characteristic of a given object in a given class. And this type of association we can call them as aggregation. Okay, I have given some example for a car because the engine is a property and as well as a subpart, wheels, then seating capacity. So everything will be a very good example for a aggregation. Similarly, lawnmower also we have taken as an example. So now I'm going to take you to the program. So this whole part pattern program. I will explain the model, class diagram, sequence diagram. Then after that, I'm going to explain the coding, Java coding. So then we will execute it. Okay. Okay, dear students, let me start.
Sir, allow ಮಾಡಿ sir.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Okay,
I have
sir.
already allowed. If someone is there, let them request again so that I can allow them. If someone is waiting, inform them to submit the request again.
Oh,
ನೋಡಿ ಯಾರು ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ ನೋಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, I'm going to share. Dear students, once again, welcome to this OMDP online lab. So today I'm going to explain the whole part pattern. Okay. So this is one of the pattern which has been considered with respect to the concept of aggregation. Aggregation is a special form of association, also called as a part of a relationship. Okay, where a given subpart acts as a characteristic or a property or a state of an object. So let me share the PDF, dear students. So dear students, can you see the contents of the PDF?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. The definition has been given here. So the whole part pattern. So the whole part is a design pattern. It helps with the aggregation of components. So aggregation plays a huge role here because that is a special form of association. So with the help of aggregation of components that together form a unit, a semantic unit. Okay. So an aggregate component, the whole as a whole, it encapsulates, means it is going to bind the constituents of components. That is the parts, and it organizes the collaboration, means interaction. Collaboration means interaction, and it provides an interface, a common interface, in order to perform the functionality. So this is how we can explain this whole part pattern. So now, so this is the class diagram for the whole part pattern. Okay, so this is the class diagram. So we have a interface here. This symbol represents a interface. Okay, so and for this interface, we have a special type of a method that is called as a get price. So this get price is it is declared over here. It is not yet defined, so it will be clearly defined in the subclasses. Now, if you consider there are two subclasses, so this interface has two subclasses. One is called as a composite, and another one is called as a cold drink. Okay, so this is the class diagram. It is visible, you know, everyone. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ PDF? Yes, students, it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Fine. We have two subclasses. One is a composite, another one is a cold drink. So under the composite, we have some of the methods like add. Means we have to add a commodity, remove the commodity, add all means so many different multiple items can be added together, get the price. And cold drink, if you consider, every cold drink means soft drinks, it has a name. For example, it may be, if you consider a 7-Up or a Sprite, so that is a name. Similarly, description means it's a beverage, cold drinks like that. Okay. Next, every the cold drink has a price also. So this is the constructor, get price, get item, and get description are the four methods. Similarly, if you consider composite, this composite can be considered as a superclass. Under this, we have two subclasses. First one is a cold drink family pack, and another one is a cold drink party pack. And under this family pack, once again, there is a constructor with items as a list. Items represents an object, list represents a class, because in utility hash package, okay, in utility package using hash tables, we can create a different type of arrays list which are built in the utility package of the Java. Similarly, we have a get price is another method, and if you consider the another subclass called as a cold drink party pack, similarly this is the constructor. Once again, items is an object, belongs to the list class, and get price is a method. So this particular application will be executed by another class called as application class through the main program. So main program will call the superclass, that is interface, and when you invoke this, the invocation will be carried to the subclasses. One is a composite and cold drink, and the invocation passes to the subclasses in the final level of hierarchy, that is cold drink family pack and party pack. So this is the class diagram. Then if you consider this is the sequence diagram, so application will invoke item, item will invoke composite, composite will invoke family pack, means the get price will be invoked. So similarly, composite is going to invoke party pack, and whatever the outcome, the result will be returned back to the composite, and from composite back to the application. So this is all the sequence diagram. Please, there is no numbering over here, but when you draw the sequence diagram in the Star UML software, definitely you are going to get the numbers. So now I'm going to explain the coding, dear students. So this is the interface, that is the common interface called item, and this contains a method called as a get price. So get price is just defined here, I mean declared over here, is not yet defined, so it will be defined in the subclasses. Now I am going to take you to the application class, and the execution of the program will always start from here, because this will contain the method so called as which method? Which method? Execution starts from
main
method. Very good. So ನೋಡಿ ಇವಾಗ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ give your focus, everyone give your attention. It is very very easy. Okay, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗಮನ ಕೊಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. Okay, ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, I am going to create a object. The object name is items, and this items is an object which belongs to which class? List. And remember, this list is a class which is present in the package called as utility. Okay, and fine. List items is a object is equals to new array list. So it is nothing but a array, a built-in array which is already there in the utility package. Now I have created a object called items. Now items dot add. So this add is a method. Add is a method which is present in the list class, built-in class. Okay, so built-in class. So new cold drink. So new cold drink means cold drink is a class, and these three are the values which will be passed as a arguments for the constructor of cold drink. Okay, so means these three value will be added to the items. What is the first value? It is a Pepsi, and the description is cold drink, and price is ₹10. And second item, what I am going to add to the items is which one? Second item ನಾನು ಯಾವುದು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಇವಾಗ? First item ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು Pepsi, and item, that is item name, and item description is cold drink, and item price is ₹10, ಒಂದಕ್ಕೆ ₹10. Next second item ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ using the same method add. What is the name of the commodity? Really? Coke. What is the item description? Cold drink. What is the price? What is the price? Really? Joragi ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? 20. Fine. So two items have been added. Very good. Next, we shall go to the third item. The third item, what we are adding to the list called items using the add method. The name of the product is Mazza. Fine. What is the item description? Okay. What is the price? 15. So how many items I have added now? Totally? ಎಷ್ಟು ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ?
3.
3. Fine. Now we shall continue. Now I am going to create an object called as family pack. So family pack annadeno the object. This object belongs to the class. Which class it belongs? It belongs to which class? Dear students, family pack is an object belongs to which class? Yes. So I'm going to create an object here called as a family pack. So this family pack is an object which belongs to the class. Yes. ಯಾವ class ಇದು? So it belongs to the class cold drink family pack, which is equals to new cold drink family pack. Okay. Now look here. This class, this object. What is this object? The object ಯಾವುದು?
Item.
These items will be passed as an argument in the cold drink family pack. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಗೆ automatically a constructor will be invoked by following the values of items into the constructor. Okay, so now this value will be taken into the constructor of cold drink family pack. Shall we check over there? Check ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. Shall we check? Dear students, shall we check?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I will go to the class cold drink family pack. So this is cold drink. Here it is. Okay, so this is cold drink family pack, which extends composite because there is a generalization association in between composite and cold drink family pack. So here is the constructor. So cold drink family pack. So list items. So these items will be copied with all the three values what we have considered over there, and it will be added super dot add all. So super andre ಏನಪ್ಪ? It's upper class. The upper class of cold drink family pack is composite. So composite ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ add all ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇದೆ. So add all means ಎಲ್ಲ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ನ summation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಎಲ್ಲಿ in composite. See if you come here. So this is composite. Okay. So this composite ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ add all ಇದೆ. So this is add all. Okay. So items dot add all. Okay. Items dot add all means so whatever the price will be added here. Okay. Add all list LST. So list means ಈ object ನ values ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ add ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. So means we'll go back now. Now we are here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ವಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ನಾವು. This is where we have left. Yes. So we shall continue from here then.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now system.out.println. So ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ shop owner ಇದು ಒಂದು ಅಂಗಡಿ ಇದು actually customer is there inside the shop and the customer wants to buy some beverages. Either it may be a party pack or it may be a family pack cold drinks ಅನ್ನು purchase ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. So ಈಗ ಅಂಗಡಿಯವನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. The shopkeeper is allowing you to people some discount. He is offering some discount. What kind of discount? No. So system.out.println family.getPrice. So ನೋಡಿ family.getPrice, family pack.getPrice ಅಂತ ಒಂದು information display ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So now you tell me, this family pack is a object belongs to which class? This family pack is a object. It belongs to which class?
Cold drink family pack.
Okay. It means the get price is a method which is present in which class?
Cold drink family pack.
So now we shall go to the cold drink family pack and shall we execute get price?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So now we shall go to get price, that is in family pack, in particularly cold drink family pack. Please remember the price of the individual products. So summation ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ, total ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
45.
45. Fine. Now we shall go to the cold drink family pack and we will execute get price. So here it is. This is cold drink family pack. Okay. So here we have the get price. So ನೋಡಿ ಈ get price ಈಗ ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ರನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. This one we have to execute. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So now return super dot get price. What is super dot get price? Super ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ add all ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Means all the price of all the commodities will be added. How much?
45.
45. What is this?
Minus.
Super dot get price. How much? ಮತ್ತೆ 45 into he is offering how much discount?
15%.
15% discount ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅವನು? is offering for cold drink family pack ಗೆ 15% ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂಗಡಿಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 15% ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅವನು. ಓಕೆನಾ?
Okay, sir.
ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? ನಾವು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದವರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಅವರಿಗೆ? 45. ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ?
15%.
15%. ಓಕೆ. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ ಯು ದ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್. Can you see the whiteboard, dear students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Total price ನಾವು ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅವರಿಗೆ?
45.
So minus super dot ಮತ್ತೆ get price, that is 45. So how much discount he is offering you?
15%.
15%. It means into 0.15. 15% under 0.15. So 45 we will keep as it is, minus we will keep as it is. 45 into 0.15 ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 6.75. So if you, this is the discount amount 6.75 and actual amount you have to pay 45. If you less this discount amount of 6.75, difference amount you have to give ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು? How much you have to pay back? So how much you have to pay back, dear students? 45 minus 6.75. How much? So screen share ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ white board? Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how much you have to pay back? 38 point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is fine. Now we shall go back to our program again. Okay, dear students, I am audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so up to here we have executed the value of family pack dot get price is 38.25. This will be displayed. So from this point, once again we shall continue. Okay,
Okay, sir.
fine. So now, just like the items, the first object I have created. This is the first object, object 1 I have created. I am going to create another object, object 2 here, called as item 2s. Okay, so this item 2s is a object 2, second object. Now once again it belongs to the same array list. So item 2s dot add. Now this will be instantiated once again. Okay, with same cold ring, with same the name of the cold ring, that is the name, next description, and as well as the price. So once again, second object, third value, the fourth value, fifth and sixth value. So how many values I have inserted into the list, in particular item 2s?
6 items.
6 items, and total price is how much?
90.
90. Now, in the previous case, we have created an object called as a family pack. This family pack is an object which belongs to the class cold drink family pack. Now, I am going to create another object here called as the second object called as a party pack. Okay. So this party pack is an object which belongs to the class
Cold drink family pack.
cold drink party pack. Okay, so cold drink party pack is equals to new cold drink party pack. Now here item 2s will be sent as a argument for the constructor of cold drink party pack. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Now the next one is system.out.println discount. Once again, if you buy the party pack, the shopkeeper, he will offer you 25% discount. If you purchase family pack, he is offering 15%. However, if you consider the party pack, he is going to offer you 25% discount. So that is what now system.out.println party pack means that is the object which belongs to the class cold drink party pack dot get price. So dot get price. Now this get price is a method which is present in which class? This get price is a method belongs to which class? ಯಾವ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿದೆ get price?
Cold drink party pack.
Okay. Now we have to go to the cold drink party pack class and we have to execute the method get price. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Cold drink party pack. So here it is. Family pack, composite. Here it is. Cold drink party pack. See, if you come here, so get price. So we have the method here. Okay, so we have a method here. Get price. So once again, return super dot get price. Super means it's upper class. That is composite. So here total cost will be considered. Super dot get price means add all. Add all method will be executed. So what is the total cost?
90.
How much?
90.
90 minus again
90.
90 into how much discount he is offering shopkeeper?
25%.
25%. Now let me share the whiteboard so that you can understand the calculation.
67.5.
Very good, superb. You already got the results. Let me share the whiteboard so that you can understand the calculations. So 90 minus 90.25, how much you are going to get? 90 minus 90 into 0.25. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? Dear students, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ calculation ಹೇಳಿ.
22.5.
22.5. Next. So if you deduct 22.5 from 90, you are going to get
67.5.
okay. So means you have to actual price is 90. After reducing the discount of 25%, you have to pay 67.5 rupees. Got it?
Yes, sir.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Sir.
Okay. Okay, dear students. Now this is all about the explanation what I have done. Now directly ivaga programming ge hogana. I will take you to the model. Then we will take the code generation. Once code generation has been done, we will execute the Java programs. So now I'm going to share the screen so that we can understand the execution part. Can you see the StarML window, dear students?
Yes, sir.
So model already I have created to direct in and deploy ಮಾಡ್ತಾ but you people have to draw the model. So draw model ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, I hope. Yes?
Yes, sir.
So this is the model. So this model already I have created, because if you keep on drawing, it takes a lot of time, no? So that is why I have drawn this. So this is an interface. So how to draw the interface? You can see the interface. You can just drag and drop here. Okay. So this, what is the association? Anybody? This association is dash. Association between a class and an interface is
Composition.
no. Implements ಅಂತ ವರ್ಡ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ?
Realization.
Realization. Very good. And this is the dash.
Generalization.
Generalization, and which is nothing but extends. The word extends comes because of this. Okay. So how to generate the code? Right click on any class. Okay. Right click on any class. Go to Java. Click on then choose logical view. So before that, you go to Java, where you have installed your Java. There you have to create inside that bin. Create any folder here, new folder. WP I will create. Whole part and sumne on dummy folder ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So inside this WP there is nothing. Everything is empty. Okay. So now I will choose logical view. Go to next. So here select all, because all the class has to be selected. Click on next. It will ask you the path where you have to dump your Java files. So select the path. So inside the D, I have installed the Java. So I'm going to D. So here I have installed Java, that is JDK folder. There inside this we have bin and WP now folder I have created. So WP is a folder I am going to select. Click on next. So next, once again next. So code has been generated successfully. Finish. Now if you go to the, see here, bin, and inside this WP, Java files have been created. Only the outer layer will be created. Inside the thing you have to type the thing over here. Okay. So now assume that I have already created, I have typed everything. So I have kept this here. Everything is ready here. So for example, if you take this application, so I have typed everything, copy paste, but you people you have to type and you have to execute. So shall we execute this program, dear students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am going to DAS prompt. So inside that we have bin, and inside that whole part. So let me check whether the compiler is activated here. No, means we have to set the path. Set path is equals to colon, double quotes, p colon / jdk / bin. Okay. Next, once again you check compiler is activated. Yes, it is activated now. So which program we have to execute, which contains main method?
Application.
Application now. So Java, first let me compile Java star.java. So it is compiled. Now I have to execute. So Java application. So what kind of results we have obtained manually? First one is a family pack. How much you have to pay?
Family pack 38.25.
Okay, for party pack, how much you have to pay?
67.5.
ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, sir.
So this completes your whole part pattern, dear students. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any doubts, dear students? If you have any queries,
No, sir.
you can ask. So this is the output. You have to copy paste means screenshot ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ manually copy ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಥವಾ you can use snipping tool also. You can copy it using JPG files ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So this completes your whole part pattern. Master, I mean controller ಅಂತ ಒಂದಿದೆ, ಅದೊಂದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So if you have any queries, dear students, you can ask me now.
Sir,
ಹೇಳಿ.
ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಎಂಡ್ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ನ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ, ಅದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಎಂಡ್ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಡಿ, ಬೇಡ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಹಿಯರ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಎಂಡ್ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದೆಯಾ?
ನೋ ಸರ್.
ನೋ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು, ನೀವು ಇವಾಗ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಹಾಕೋದು ಹೇಗೆ?
ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು.
Okay, go to model. So first you come here, use case view ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, you choose use case view, then you go to model, then you take add diagram. Under this go to sequence diagram. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಈ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರರ್ ವಿಂಡೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ. when you want to draw a sequence diagram, click on use case view. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಚೂಸ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೀಜನ್ ವೇರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ದ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಸೊ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ 1, that is this is what we have to draw. Application, totally 5 objects: application, item, composite, family pack, party pack. Okay. So item, application now the first one, no?
Yes, sir.
Application. Next one,
Item.
Second one, third one,
Composite.
next
Family pack.
next we have party pack, I think. Okay, next ನೋಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So invokes get price, application to item, message is invoke get price. So this is a stimulus ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್. from here to here. Okay. Invoke get price. ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, sir.
Next ನೋಡಿ, second one is get price, get price, get price. Get price from item to composite, and from composite to family pack and party pack. Get price, next composite to family pack. And once again from composite to party pack. Price. Then we have results now. So return the price, return the price from composite, and from composite to application discounted price. So once again stimulus. So this is a return price. Then we have again stimulus. Return price. Then from composite to application is discounted price. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇದೇನು ಕೋಡ್ ಜನರೇಷನ್ ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ರೋಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Got it?
Oh, yes, sir.
Fine. So any doubts again?
No, sir. No doubts.
So ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
Sure, sir.
Okay then. So shall we stop here, dear students then?
Ha, sir.
Okay, dear students, thank you so much for joining online OMDP lab. I request all of you to give your attendance in the chat box. Okay, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? SMS ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಜಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? Any problems in jams? Have you verified your attendance and all?
Yes, sir. ಬರ್ತಿದೆ.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? OMDP ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಾರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
No, sir.
Fine. Okay, dear students, thank you so much for joining the classes, OMDP lab. Please take care of yourself. Don't step out of your home. Stay safe. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.